Did you know there's a volcano on Mars 3 times taller than Mount Everest? Welcome to Olympus Mons. This colossal shield volcano stands about 13.6 miles high. That's over 70,000 feet. Imagine hiking that. Olympus Mons is so wide, it could cover the entire state of Arizona. It has a caldera that's 50 miles wide, perfect for a Martian skyline. But why is it so massive? Mars has lower gravity and no tectonic plate movement, allowing volcanic activity to continue for millions of years. Want to explore more cosmic wonders? Hit subscribe to Cosmic Explorations and journey through the universe with us.